Once upon a time, there were different kind of birds were living in the forest. All the birds get worried that there is no food in the forest. There is no food in this forest, and even land is not fertile enough to be cultivated. What our children will eat? What our children will eat? I went to another forest. There is so greenery and there are juicy fruits on trees. Thinking this, all the birds of the forest decide to go from one forest to another forest. All the birds make their nest by reaching other forest. Parrot brings fruit. There were juicy fruit trees. This jungle is so beautiful. We will not have to go far to get the food.
This forest is so beautiful. In this forest, we will not have to go far to get food. Now, I and my children will stay here.